I actually hoped it was going to be better than the other hall. I think it's still very dirty and really like unhealthy conditions for all the players. Everyone is warming up in like 2 layers of pants and winter jackets and gloves and hats. It's not good warm-up preparations for a player who has to go on court and move fast and go in splits. I I know everyone is doing their best to make the conditions better for the players, but I think there is still way to go, and I hope it's going to be better for World Championships here in summer.
Last year you've had grievances regarding the venue,
Yeah.
with the birds and everything. So it still hasn't got any better, would you say?
Yeah.
Want to hear your
Well, to be honest, no. Yesterday when I came to the warm-up courts, there was birds flying around and shitting on the court, and yeah, I don't think I have to say that's really unhealthy and not normal. I don't think so many other athletes would play under these conditions, but yeah. Again, I think everyone around the tournament, the association, I hope also that BWF is going to look into this, because it's a professional sport and everyone who is here is doing their best to prepare and win this tournament. And if they get sick or they get injured because of these conditions, it's unfair.
Right, and how does this India Open fit into your goals of this very venue will also be hosting the World Championships? How important is winning India Open for you?
Well, winning India Open would be like a major result for me. For the moment, I'm really trying to like focus on my development in my new setup in France. I really feel like I have taking a step in the right direction, and for me, it's to keep competing in all the tournaments and stay injury free. And every time I go on court, I want to be even better than last time I was there.